Hi scholarly friends! If you're interested in version control or want to make sure nobody has made changes they shouldn't without locking the file down, then keep on watching this video. First is open a Google Doc you want to track. Select File and Version History. Select See Version History. A window should appear on the right of your screen showing every save and edit for the document in question. Within that window, you should also have the option to view the previous version of the document before the edits were made. This is essential for version control as you have an audit trail of what changes were made, when they were made, and by whom. It is also useful if you made some changes, slip on it, and then change your mind and want to roll them back. You can also see who has shared your Google Doc and when. You can also see the sharing setting so you can better control access to your document. Go to drive.google.com, click on My Drive on the left, then click the small I button on the upper right corner. Then click Activity. Either click on each file or folder individually, or review the scroll bar to the right of the screen. This will show you who has shared your document. You can also check from within the document by selecting Share. The names of individuals will appear in the pop-up window. If there are multiple people, select a name and the list of all names will appear. If you find this feature useful, let us know in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next upload.